Springs that emerge from depths of over 1,000 meters contain large amounts of salt, sodium, iodine, fluoride, iron, manganese, and over 20 other mineral substances, including asphalt, which gives the water a dark brownish hue. And from time to time, a unique shape, too. This particular limestone formation materialized over many decades. Minerals are burned out from water that erupts from the earth at some 70 degrees Celsius. Then, they subsequently cool and are turned into a whitish rock that seems to resemble glaciers. Similar formations are found in both the United States and Turkey.